As a child, you probably imagined jetpacks, laser guns, and robots in 2022. While the future may not be as glamorous as we expected, most inventions have appeared, especially robots. We've shared high-tech robots like the flamethrower drone and the Yardroid yard maintenance cyborg. Today's robot is similar, but its primary directive is controversial. Today we're discussing your butt. The toilet. Altan Robotech's Giddel Toilet Cleaning Robot. This robot will scrub toilet stains forever. This cute little guy uses a high-tech integrated brush system to scrub your toilet bowl. The Giddel Toilet Cleaning Robot swivels and rotates 360 degrees, and its brush can reach hard-to-reach places. It has a rim cleaning function that cleans the toilet bowl rim. A chime will sound when the robot is done cleaning your toilet and ready to be returned. The Altan Giddel cleans the toilet bowl and lid. The robot's toilet attachment can be removed and a portable charging station is included. This durable toilet cleaning robot has two buttons that look like eyes, so you can see the cyborg's 1,000-yard stare as he cleans your poo stains. I hope, in this video, you get to know more about the latest unique gadgets in the market. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon as we upload gadgets videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you guys in the next video.